Hey everyone, it's Jake with Real Broker. Got another great home tour for you today. I'm with my partner in crime, Jayden Cook over here. So this is Jayden's listing.
Hello, hello.
We're gonna go check it out and let's get this camera off me. We'll talk more about this house. All right, so we are in the northwest part of town. This house was built in 2009, 3,350 square feet. We're on a half an acre, 4 bedrooms. It's got an office, has an additional room, which is pretty cool. It's set up as a bar right now. 3-car garage. It's got a beautiful pool and RV parking over here on the side. So as always, please like, subscribe, please comment, please interact. Let me know what you like, what you don't like. And if there's any homes in Las Vegas, Henderson, Lake Las Vegas, you name it, that you'd like to see, or any communities, let me know and I will do a video for you. All right, buddy, let's head on in.
All right, here we are.
Yeah, we head on in. Single-story home. So I've been using this word a lot lately, Jayden. I call them like any type of entertainment areas, like a parlor, right?
Parlor, okay,
So,
I like it.
I would call this like the parlor entertainment area because we got a little bar area over here, right?
Yep.
So my assumption would be is when the house was being built, like this probably could have been an optional 5th bedroom.
Yeah.
Or like a formal sitting room.
Definitely.
Yeah. So setup is looks like a little bar. Got a slot machine, TV on the wall. Got plantation shutters all throughout the house. I like that bar set up there. And then on the other end of the parlor, we've got pool table. So.
You any good at pool, Jake?
No, I'm not very good at all.
Me neither.
Before we go into that, so we do have an office right here. Little French doors on it, so cool little office, right? Pretty standard.
Oh yeah. One thing that I really like about this house too, Jake, is how tall the ceilings are in here. Really gives it a lot of space. It's like, wow, a lot of breathing room, right?
Probably like, what, 14-foot ceilings?
Oh, yeah, I'd say.
Yeah. All right, hey, let's go check out the primary bedroom real quick.
Let's do it.
And then we'll hit up the kitchen, the other bedrooms, and then the backyard is like really sweet. So
cool. Come on in. So you can see there's fresh carpets in the house, throughout the house, fresh paint. You'll see too that they have an oversized closet in here, plenty of space to put all your clothes, shoes, miscellaneous items, built-in shelving.
Oh yeah, it's already all built out. That's nice. So very cool. And I like the vaulted ceiling look in here too. It just adds a lot of volume to the roof, or excuse me, to the room. A big room too. Definitely.
All the rooms in this house are really big.
So this is the bathroom. We got 2 sides of it. We got this side over here. All right, so this bathroom is nice. We got 2 sides of it. We got a sink and a vanity. That's the bathroom there. We don't need to see too much about it. Got another one. And then of course we got this nice big tub, soaking tub right there. I love how the little cutout is. Yeah. And then looks like they've done some renovations, especially to the shower.
Definitely updated the shower. This tile is an upgrade as well. One thing that I like too is you have easy access to the outdoor patio leading right to the pool.
Yeah, that is cool. So sick pool. We're gonna go check that out in just a sec. All right, so let's go check out the kitchen. Kitchen's great. It's like really center point in this house.
Definitely.
Huge area out here. This is like a huge entertainment gathering area. You can see this is used as the dining area. I do love how those 2 tables there work. Looks pretty cool.
Definitely. One thing I like about this kitchen too is it has its own butler's pantry.
Yeah,
it's a nice feature. You're not going to have any kind of short supply of cabinetry or countertop space in this kitchen for sure.
Definitely not. Got a little island within the kitchen. Kind of panning around, looking out.
Double oven's always a nice feature.
Couple pennant lights hanging down there. Let's just take real quick. So we're right here. It's got a big laundry room I can see.
Yep.
So, and it's got a sink in it, so that's always nice, right?
Oh yeah.
It rains in Vegas a lot, so we can wash off our boots and our shoes, all the mud.
Certainly.
Yeah. There's a nice sized pantry. And we'll just take a peek inside the 3-car garage. So standard 3-car garage. This one's looks like they might be packing up or kind of doing
every
some
seller's
organizing.
garage looks the same.
Yeah. Does have its separate entrance going to the outside over there. And then we have the hot water heater and the soft water. All right, thanks, brother.
Yeah, bet.
5-burner gas cooktop back there. Looks like a newer microwave.
Oh yeah, yep, they've updated their appliances as well.
And then back here we have the secondary bedrooms.
Fun fact for you, Jake, 3 out of the 4 bedrooms in this house have their very own bathroom, including a shower.
Well, let's take a
This
peek.
is one of them.
Oh, that's a nice sized bathroom.
So it's perfect for guests. All the bedrooms are really.
Yeah. For guests, adult kids, parentals. And then this, so this is the only bedroom right here that doesn't have its
Correct.
own bathroom.
But they
However,
right outside the door, they
Yeah.
have their own full bath.
may as well be. So this one's set up as a gym, of course, you guys can see. So I say, of course, a lot. We'll peek inside this bathroom. Shower tub. There we go. So then off this main living room, which is nice and big, so we have a total like ensuite over here, right?
Yep. Kind of a rare feature to find, or 2 master bedrooms, so to speak.
So that door goes to the outside of the backyard. We're going to go through that in a little bit. So this is a nice big room. Got
Yeah.
nice ceilings in it.
So you can see they put a barn door on here.
Yeah. Got a walk-in shower right there. Looks like we got 2 sinks, the commode, and then a walk-in closet. Yeah, decent sized walk-in closet. So, all right, bro, let's go get
check
that
out the
backyard,
back.
shall we? I'll just follow you.
All right, let's take our exit right here.
Well, thank you, kind sir.
You bet.
All right, so coming out into the backyard, like I said earlier, it's on a half an acre. So we do have this like pergola built onto the house right here, so it gives you a lot of shade. The house faces north and the backyard faces south, so east-west as the house comes over it. So this whole area, unless it's absolute midday, the way the pergolas work, you're gonna have pretty much shade back here most of the morning and definitely all late afternoon. Looks like we got a nice PebbleTech pool right here. Little swim step shallow area right there. We got the zero edge hot tub jacuzzi over there, a couple water features.
One thing you'll notice about this backyard too, Jake, very low maintenance. Obviously you got the palm trees, but all the grass here is this turf.
Yeah,
Not a lot that you got to maintain.
that's good. So over here, pool pump equipment. Got this concrete area. This could be like your own pickleball area, sport court,
Yep.
whatever you wanted to do with it. I
You
like
could
the,
even make double RV parking if you wanted to.
Yeah, you could. You could punch out that wall if you wanted to. And I like how they raised the walls 2 blocks. So this is probably what, 7-foot wall,
Yeah,
I think, maybe?
I'd say about.
Fraction higher.
Certainly taller than me.
We'll get over here by this jacuzzi area. Got some cool grass up top here too, little sitting areas. Kind of pan back around and see what the house looks like from this side. And let's go ahead and take a peek at the RV area.
Let's do it.
All right, so here's your RV parking area. You can see we have a concrete pad over here, and looks like a 10 or 12-foot gate over there. So that about does it for us. Jay, anything we missed on the house? Or
No, we got a pretty good overview. I will say with the RV parking that it does have 30 amp hookups. It also has water as well. So you're going to be able to have good storage for your RV right here.
Awesome. And if you all have any questions for Jayden, I'm going to put his contact information in the description of the property. If you have any questions for me, like my information is all there below and obviously in the description. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time.